Kalkstein Chiropractic. You just received a welcome text message from our system, and I'm here to give you a quick little tour of the office so that you feel more comfortable coming in and get an idea what to expect when you first come in. So you might have received that paperwork already, so go ahead and fill that out. It'll save you some time before you come in, and it'll allow our office to verify your insurance to make sure that we know your benefits before we get started with care. You'll find plenty of free parking outside. When you come on in, you'll take the elevator up to the 3rd floor, and you'll find the door right in front of you when you come in. Our awesome front desk ladies will be here to greet you when you come on in. If you haven't done your new patient paperwork, they'll give that to you, and then you can fill out in the waiting room here. One of our chiropractic assistants will greet you here in the waiting room, bring you back to one of our treatment rooms, go through a history, but really get to know why you're here, what expectations you have for care, and what you're hoping to achieve. Based off the examination by the chiropractor and the treatment plan, you can start treatment the same day, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of some of the areas in the office where we provide some of that treatment. So you can see on my right some of the treatment rooms that you'll be brought back to. This is where we do a lot of the soft tissue work, the adjustments, the examinations, etc. The more manual side of the office, if you will, happens here. And what you'll hear and see as you're coming through the office is that this is a place where there's a lot of combination of care. So not only do we provide chiropractic care to our patients, but there's also physical therapy that we're providing, different modalities in the office that help provide relief as well as a big component of what we do.
So to either side and right behind me are our individual massage table bays where we do passive modalities such as dry needling, shockwave, heat and stim, and class 4 laser.
This is our exercise floor where we do our functional strength program as well as our physical therapy. This area is utilized for people both initially when they're hurting as well as building up strength and stability in their problem areas. You'll see we combine some passive modalities and rehab when necessary to help people feel stronger and get better faster.
We're genuinely excited to meet you and help you out. If you have any questions ahead of time, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you.